Yeah, reach for the top one. 3, 2, 1. Jump.
Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to my very first travel vlog. Now this vlog is capturing my journey from the gym to climbing up an actual mountain. Now granted, it wasn't a big mountain, but nonetheless it was a mountain. I never saw myself or thought about climbing a mountain, but I'm here on vacation in Curacao, and I, for some reason, was called to this mountain I've seen out here to climb. So this is my journey from the bouldering gym in my local town in the Netherlands to climbing a mountain here in Curacao. I was first introduced to climbing about a year ago, and it's just been something I've been doing for fun, recreationally, learning a little bit here and there. So I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for coming along for the ride. Rise and shine, another day, another beautiful morning here in Curacao. I'm on my way to do some rock climbing. Looking forward to this. I already do for recreation, for fun, back home, indoor climbing. So taking it outside to some real rock will be fun. We'll bring y'all along. This will be my first time. I'm gonna bring y'all along for the journey, so let's see how it goes. See you there. There it is. I'm gonna be, that's the rock I'm gonna be climbing. This should be fun. Ik moet naar de rock climbing. I just saw the thing over there.
Oh, it's on the back.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Pool.
Yeah. It's like a whole workout.
Indeed. Yep. And it's fun, you know. You get to almost be like a kid again.
Yeah.
You know?
I get it.
Yeah. What is the name of this? Is there a name for this?
Tafelbed.
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 Oh, tafelbed.
Which means
Table mount. Ja. Oké. Nou, ik kan praten Nederlands ook.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Hey, little guy. What's up, buddy?
Animals, you have goats. You also have landcraft on the mountain.
Okay.
Birds, koalas. You're gonna find some snakes here and there.
Uh-huh.
Small ones, not venomous.
Okay. Nah, I'm not scared of any of those things, so
Alright then.
we good. Looks like a... Is that like a huge ass rock that fell and got stuck?
Yeah, it's just right.
That's what I thought.
Rock climbing routes.
Yeah.
These are the easiest routes on the mountain, and then you have the most difficult ones.
Yeah, I can see little
The angle.
ledges. Yeah, yep. The angles definitely comes out, and then the mountain comes out a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Overhang.
Right.
Yeah. But those are really for professionals.
Yeah. What is the climbing community here on the island? How is it?
You know, it's not really that big as of yet.
Okay.
I would say
Okay, but growing a little bit slowly.
but there you go.
And we made it. We made it. Look at this. Ooh, look down. Yeah, we came from all the way down there. And now we got the view. So yeah, you can see it real good now. That's Bonaire down there. That's Bonaire down there. What is that down there? Yeah, that's
You can see it.
yeah, that's Venezuela. Venezuela down there.
Yeah, you can see it today.
Yeah. Wow. Man, it's crazy how big the ocean is.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Man, beautiful. So yeah, this is we came up that cliff right there, a wall, and that's how far we came from up. How many meters would you say that is?
Probably 50 meters.
50 meters. 50 meters up we just climbed. That's definitely the highest I've ever climbed. To give you an idea, I'm gonna get on the rope and abseil all the way down there.
So at the black rope, I'm going to attach this ring right here, and this ring you're gonna be attached to. So you're gonna be controlling this black rope to lower yourself pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Close this. Now let's start coming down. This way. I'll show you once
Okay.
you hang. Yeah. Okay. Come. I got you. I got you. Both hands on the black line now. Okay. You can let go. So now for you to lower yourself, what you're gonna do is push the black line up like this. So you give it slack, keep giving it slack, and that's how you lower yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you continue like that till you're at the bottom pretty much. Enjoy. Also enjoy the view. There you go. Got it. Got it.
do this shit as quick as possible. Yep. Woo! Keep pulling the rope. That was fun. Well, I made it all the way from up there. Climbed down a little bit more down there, but I think the scariest part is done. But the crazy part is coming down the mountain on that rope. You can see all the way up there. Overall, what a great morning. Way to start the day. Walk through nature. You could hear all the birds cackling. I saw some lizards. I saw an iguana.
You went really quick up the upside. You were like...
I wanted to get down. That was a good, but you know what? That was a hell of a shoulder workout.
Right.
That felt,
You feel it burn.
yeah. So I'm actually kind of, once I got halfway down doing it fast like that, I was like, oh, actually, I'm glad I'm going fast, because not just to get down fast, to ease the anxiety. Okay. That's all, folks. We made it. All right, so that's it. Morning is done. Got some hiking, climbing, abseiling in, final thoughts. Absolutely amazing. For those who have a sense of adventure, love nature, and even those who are willing to try some new things, highly recommend this, doing things like this. It's so fulfilling and honestly just really good for you, for your soul, and I definitely highly would recommend you trying something like this. So until the next time, I'll holler at y'all. Peace.